Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a beautiful and inspiring story for you. This story is not only for improve your English listening skills but also for teaching you one important lesson. You do not need a teacher to start learning English. You only need one thing, the decision to never give up. The title of today's story is How to Study English Alone. So sit back, relax, listen carefully, and let's begin. There was a young man named Arjun. He was 21 years old. He lived in a small village with his parents. His family was poor, but they always believed in honest and hard work. Arjun had one big dream. He wanted to speak English fluently, not because he wanted to show off, not because he wanted to impress people. He wanted to speak English because he wanted a better life. He wanted a better job. He wanted to travel. He wanted to understand books, movies, and the world. But there was one problem. He had no English teacher. There was no English speaking friend. There was no expensive coaching class. He only had an old smartphone, a notebook, and a dream. Many people laughed at him. One person said, "You can never learn English alone." Another person smiled and said, "English is only for rich people." Someone else said, "You are too late. Children learn English, adults cannot." Arjun felt sad, very sad. For a few days, he believed those words. He stopped studying. He stopped watching English videos. He stopped opening his notebook. Every day he told himself, maybe they are right. One evening, he was sitting outside his house. The sun was slowly going down. The sky was orange and beautiful. An old man walked towards him. The old man smiled and asked, "Why are you looking so worried?" Arjun answered, "I want to learn English, but I have nobody to teach me." The old man smiled again. He picked up a small seed from the ground. He showed the seed to Arjun and asked, "Who teaches this seed to become a tree?" Arjun sat silent. The old man continued, "The seed grows because it keeps growing every day. It does not compare itself with other trees. It simply grows." Then he looked into Arjun's eyes and said, "If a seed can grow alone, why can't you learn alone?" Those words changed Arjun's life. That night, he made a promise. "I will study English every single day. Even if I learn only one new word. Even if nobody believes in me." The next morning, Arjun woke up at 6 o'clock. He took his notebook. On the first page, he wrote Day 1. Then he wrote 5 simple words: book, water, friend, morning, dream. He repeated them again and again: book, water, friend, morning, dream. He did not memorize them only once. He spoke them loudly. He wrote them 10 times. He made simple sentence. This is my book. I drink water every day. He is my friend. Good morning. I have a dream. After that, he looked around his room. He pointed at different things: chair, table, window, door, fan, bottle, wall. He spoke every word loudly. Sometimes he made mistakes. Sometimes he forgot the pronunciation, but he never stopped. He remembered one simple rule: mistakes are teachers. Every mistake teaches something new. After 1 week, Arjun knew 50 new words. After 1 month, he knew more than 200 words. He felt more confident. One day, he started talking to himself in English. At first, it sounded funny. He looked in the mirror and said, "Hello Arjun, how are you today?" "I am fine." "What will you do today?" "I will study English." Sometimes he laughed. Sometimes he made grammar mistakes. But every day he improved a little. Little by little, word by word, sentence by sentence, lesson by lesson. One evening, his younger sister saw him speaking to the mirror. She laughed. "Are you talking to yourself?" Arjun smiled. "Yes." She asked, "Why?" He answered, because my future friend speaks English. His sister did not understand, but Arjun knew something important. Every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker once spoke broken English. Nobody becomes perfect on the first day. Learning English is like learning to walk. A baby falls many times, but the baby never says, I will never walk again. The baby keeps trying. One day, the baby walks. The same is true for English. You will make mistakes, you will forget words, you will pronounce some words incorrect. But if you keep practicing every day, one day you will speak naturally. Now let me share a simple example. Imagine two students. Student A studies English for 5 hours on Sunday, then studies nothing for 6 days. Student B studies only 20 minutes every day. After 1 month, who will improve more? The answer is student B, because success comes from consistency, not from one big effort. This is one of the biggest secrets of learning English. Practice every day, even if it is only 15 or 20 minutes. Small steps become big success. Before sleeping that night, Arjun wrote another sentence in his notebook. I am not competing with anyone. I am competing with yesterday's version of myself. He smiled, closed his notebook, looked at the stars, and believed that one day he would speak English confidently. He did not know how long the journey would be, but he knew one thing: he had finally started. And every great journey begins with one small step. Lesson part 1. You do not need a perfect teachers to start. Learn a few words every day. Speak even if you make mistakes. Practice is more important than talent. Never compare yourself with others. Consistency beats perfection. The 7 daily habits. How Arjun decided to learn English alone. He understood that consistency is more important than talent. Now let's continue his journey. The next morning, Arjun woke up with a smile. He looked at his notebook and said, today I will become a little better than yesterday. He knew one thing: learning English is not about studying for many hours, it is about building good daily habits. So Arjun created 7 simple habits. These habits slowly changed his life. Habit number 1: read every day. Every morning, Arjun opened a simple English storybook. At first, he understood only a few words. Many sentences were difficult. Sometimes he wanted to close the book, but he remembered, if I stop because it is difficult, I will never improve. He read only one page every day. Whenever he found a new words, he wrote it in his notebook. For example, brave. A brave person is not afraid. Sentence: the brave firefighter saved the child. Honest. A person who always tells the truth. Sentence: my father is an honest man. Every day he learned 5 new words. After 1 month, he had more than 150 new words. He realized something. Small progress becomes big success. Lesson: don't try to finish a whole book in one day. Read one page, understand it, repeat it. Tomorrow read another page. Habit number 2. Listen carefully. Every evening, Arjun listened to simple English stories on his phone. At first, he understood only 20%, but he never stopped the video every second. He listened from beginning to end. The next day, he listened to the same story again. This time, he understood more. The third time, he understood almost everything. He smiled. He finally understood the power of repetition. Example: imagine your favorite song. The first time you hear it, you don't know the lyrics, but after listening many times, you remember every line. English works the same way. Habit number 3. Speak without fear. One day, Arjun stood in front of a mirror. He looked into his own eyes. He started speaking. My name is Arjun. I live in a small village. I want to learn English. I study every day. My dream is to speak confidently. At first, he stopped many times. He forgot words. He made grammar mistakes. But every day he became better. He was not afraid anymore. Lesson. Fluency comes from speaking, not from only reading grammar books. Open your mouth, speak even if nobody is listening. Habit number 4. Write every day. Every night before sleeping, Arjun wrote 5 simple sentences. Today I woke up early. I studied English for 30 minutes. I learned 5 new words. I watched one English video. Tomorrow I will study again. Slowly. 5 sentences become 10. 10 become 20. His writing improved. His confidence improved. His grammar improved. Habit number 5. Think in English. Earlier, Earlier Arjun always translated every sentence from his language into English. It took too much time. One day he decided, I will think directly in English. When he saw a tree, he thought, this tree is very tall. When he drank water, he thought, I am drinking cold water. When he walked outside, he thought, the weather is beautiful today. Little by little, his brain became comfortable with English. Habit number 6. Learn from mistakes. One afternoon, Arjun met a shopkeeper. He wanted to say, I need a bottle of water, but he became nervous. He accidentally said, he want water bottle drinking. The shopkeeper smiled politely. He corrected him. Arjun laughed. Instead of feeling embarrassed, he thanked the shopkeeper. That evening, he wrote the correct sentence in his notebook. I need a bottle of water. From that day, he understood something important. Every mistake is a free teacher. Habit number 7. Never miss a day. Some days Arjun felt tired. Some days he was busy. Some days he had no energy. But he made one promise. I will never skip my English practice. Even if he practiced only 10 minutes, he never broke his habit. That small promise made him stronger. One day become 1 week, 1 week become 1 month, 1 month become 6 months. People started noticing the difference. How did your English improve so much? Arjun smiled. There is no magic. I simply practiced every day. A beautiful example. Imagine two plants. The first plant gets 1 bucket of water once every month. The second plant gets 1 glass of water every day. Which plant will grow better? Of course, the second plant. Your English is exactly like that plant. Give it a little practice every day. I It will grow naturally. One evening, Arjun opened his old notebook. He looked at the first 5 words he had written months ago. Book, water, friend, morning, dreams. He smiled with tears in his eyes. Thus 5 simple words had started a beautiful journey. He realized something. Success never comes in one day. It comes one small step at a time. Listen. Read simple English every day. Listen to English again and again. Speaker without fear. Write a few sentences daily. Think in English. Learn from every mistake. Never miss your daily practice. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You only need to be consistent. How to study English alone?